Here we're practicing the pattern for collecting values in a class. Here's already the instance variable that does the collecting. Before we forget, let's make sure it's initialized in the constructor. Here we go. By the way, I did forget that when I prepared the solution. Let's see here. Here we need to add a string to the collection. Here's the code for that. Now sometimes the code really is as simple as this. It's still necessary to have a separate method because, of course, passengers is a private instance variable that the public can't use. In our example, the addPassenger method is a bit more complex because we should only add when there's space. Last time around we had a counter for the number of passengers. We don't have that this time, but we have a method down here. So I'll just call that method. And again, if there's room, then I'll do the adding. It looks like we actually have to implement that method. That's simply the size of the collection. The last method here gives us more information about the contents of our collection. And fortunately, it's already been implemented. It simply returns the array list converted to a string, which has this characteristic form. All of the strings inside surrounded by brackets. So that's the general collection pattern. Anytime that an object wants to collect other objects, use an array list or an array, such as this one. And did I mention that you should never forget to initialize the array list or array in the constructor? You will get to practice these patterns with another example that's dear to Sarah's heart.